This year, we're celebrating our history, our guests, our team members. Because after all, it's our 50th birthday. But while this year may be our big milestone, it's your party. And the humongous sized cherry on top of this birthday, it's our brand new ship, Carnival Celebration. Let's go for a tour. First up, the Celebration Central Zone is where fun and entertainment come together to help make this the funnest 50th ever. There's a celebration of world travel with the animated vistas of global landmarks at the Gateway Zone. You'll celebrate great drinks, entertainment, and fun historical artifacts at the Golden Jubilee. If you celebrate the season with all the sun, warm up to the Summer Landing Zone. And it's not a celebration without some smoked, saucy goodness. Visit Guy Fieri's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse Brewhouse. For a championship flavor celebration, Big Chicken by Shack in the Lido Zone serves it up all day from dawn on. Celebrate authentic Miami flavor and fun at the 820 Biscayne Zone. Islandy cool celebrations are always hot at the huge Red Frog Tiki Bar. Find the in celebration. Trust us, it's in there at Cloud9 Spa or Loft 19. Celebrate speed? You'll want to meet Bolt at the Ultimate Playground Zone. The little ones celebrate big too, with new friends their age at 3 fun youth spaces. Celebrate together time in comfort that's just right in your stateroom. Every cruise is a vacation event folks will enjoy for years to come. See you on Carnival Celebration, setting sail in November 2022.